One of the most popular reasons people use a VPN is to unlock shows that aren't available where they live. So let me show you how to do that. Streaming services like Netflix show you a different set of titles depending on what country you're in. I've changed my connection from Canada, and I'm now connected to the VPN in the US, so I'll see the US Netflix library. Let's say I want to watch It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. When I search for it, you can see by the search results that it's not on Netflix in the US, but I know it's on Netflix in the UK. So I'll go back to Surfshark, I'll go to the Locations tab, and I'll search for the UK. I'll select the fastest location, and then continue to change the VPN. I'll see my connection change to the UK, and then I'll go back to Netflix. Now that Netflix thinks that I'm in the UK, if I refresh this page with the search, the UK library loads, and I can now pick Always Sunny. For this particular show, I'll also have to upgrade my plan, but that's my problem and not yours. You can do this with all sorts of countries and streaming services to reach content that's blocked where you are. One quick tip: if a show won't play or you get an error, connect to a different server in that same country and refresh. That may just clear it up for you. And if you've only been following along so far and haven't signed up yet, remember to use the first link in the description to get the best available deal on Surfshark.